This video is sponsored by Lifesaver Mobile. We stop distracted driving for your employees. Device removal should be done in any case where you do not want historical data kept in your system, so that it's more or less as if the device were erased from existence. To do this, navigate to the Assets section, select the vehicle you'd like to remove, and then click the Remove button here. Click Remove Asset to remove it and all data associated with it from your database. Similarly, if you'd like to archive an asset, just click Archive Asset here instead. This will make the asset inactive so that it no longer collects data and only shows up in searches where you specify that you'd like to include archived assets. Archiving or removing a Go device from an asset frees up the device so that it can be added back in and associated with a different asset as if it were a brand new tracking unit. The next option you have is to remove a Go device but leave the asset active in your system. This means the asset will no longer have data collected, but it will still show up in your active assets list and in some reports. To unplug a device but leave the asset active, click an asset, scroll down here to Unplug Device, and choose the Keep Active option. This now is an untracked asset, and you can add a new tracking device to it by clicking this Add Device button whenever you have a serial number to add in here. Finally, you may have a device that for whatever reason has stopped tracking data and needs to be replaced. To replace an old device, navigate to the asset you'd like to replace the device on, scroll down here and click Replace with New Device, and type in the new device serial number. Click Save New Asset, and the new device will be associated with this asset that you've chosen. If you've chosen one of the options to add a different Go unit in what we've just covered, this is the point at which you'd want to go and change the physical device. It's also important that you follow one of these steps that we've just covered instead of simply unplugging a device, sticking it in another vehicle, and then editing the details to reflect your changes, since doing that will almost always result in data integrity issues.